If you have a business of radio broadcasting for schools, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your radio broadcasting school business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, booking, pricing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your radio broadcast school business using Pabbly Chat Flow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly School of Radio Broadcasting. With that, they have provided me 3 action buttons: inquire about course, view class schedule and book studio. Let's click on the view class schedule. As soon as I have clicked on the view class schedule, they have responded me with a message in which they have mentioned all the batch type with the timing. And with that, they have provided me 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have clicked on the menu option, I got the initial message again. This time, let's click on the inquire about course. Over here, they have mentioned all the course that they offer. With that, they have provided me 3 action button, book studio, talk to support and menu. Let's click on book studio for now. To book a studio, they want few details like full name. I will enter that. Now they want to know about course name. I will enter that. After that, they want to know about date and time. I will enter preferred date and time. As soon as they got every single detail, they have sent me a confirmation message that say you will receive a confirmation and slot detail shortly. So, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual efforts. That's the power of Pabbly Chat Flow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chat Flow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chat Flow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chat Flow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for radio, broadcasting, school, business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your radio, broadcasting, school, business. Now, after giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all three features, let's get started building this flow. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to give them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag a media button, connect with my flow start and browse a image. Like this. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I want to give a welcome message to my customer. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message. Welcome to Pabbly, School of Radio Broadcasting. Turn your voice into a career, all through WhatsApp. What would you like to do today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option, enter my text, inquire about course. For my next action button, I will enter view class schedule. And for my third action button, I will enter book studio. Now, for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with inquire about the course. For my first action button, I'm going to just drag and drop text button, connect with my action button and enter my message in which I will mention all the details and course update that we provide. Like this, where I have mentioned all the details that we are offering right now. And with that, I'm going to provide two action button, book studio, talk to support and menu. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. I'm going to provide separate message for both book a studio and talk to support button. To book a studio, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my action button and enter my message. We need to time to polish your skill. Please share the following. Number 1, full name. I'm going to provide my contact custom field as name and my format as any. Now, after knowing about name, course name and ID they wanted to book, I will drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my previous question. Over here, I'm going to enter my message. Please share course name. Over here, I'm going to enter my contact custom field as course and my format as any. Now, after knowing about course name, I want to know about the date they want to book. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please share preferred date and time. Now, I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and my format as any. Now, you must be wondering from where we can add this contact custom field. For that, you need to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. Now come with me to the settings section. Here you can see a feature is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on this, you will be landed on this page. Here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. Now I will resume back to my flow. Now, after getting each and every detail about my customer, I'm going to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. You will receive a confirmation and slot detail shortly. Now, I'm going to provide a separate message for our next action button, which is talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Need guidance or have question? A team is here to help. Estimate response time is 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's move to our next action button, which is view class schedule. To tell about schedule, I'm going to just drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I will mention all the schedules like this. With that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support. Now let's move to our last action button, which is book a studio. As we have already filled details for book a studio, I'm just going to connect this action button with our initial question so that as soon as someone click on this button, they will get initial question and their studio must be booked. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for radio broadcast school business. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.